finish. Now let's open the CorelDRAW X7 now and continue. And we'll click on register data. Click on continue. We click on help for the activation process. Click on help, then sign in. Click on already purchased. So enter serial number. So the serial number we copied earlier, this, then we paste it into the box. Then click on activate offline. Then the installation code written here into the boxes, and we are going to type it into the keygen to get our activation code. Then run the caps lock. By SI65GN35 TT2B G4 98397W. Then we click on generate activation code. Okay, here is our activation code. Copy it. Then we paste it on into the box. Click on continue. So okay. So that's all. Then we close it. Then we open the CorelDRAW for about 4 times to disable it from showing this. Close. We open it 4 times or 3 times until we disable it from showing this. Showing this. So we say click on close until it displays a little box. Click again. Yes, we click on close again. Since it has been displayed, do not show again. That's what we are expecting. Until it shows it. Then open again. So yes, it don't show again. Click on into the little box. Close. So the CorelDRAW is now ready. But to disable it from running with network or internet, when you are connected with the internet on your laptop or desktop, then we need to go to firewall, now here is it, allow an app through Windows firewall. Then we click on it. Then click on change settings. Now scroll down. To disable the two. Then click on OK. So that's it. Let's open it again. So it's now fully ready for usage. Now it's done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and